Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to deactivate or delete Facebook account from your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your Facebook. Now go to your menu. Scroll down and press on Settings and Privacy. In this option, you can see here Settings. Go for it. Now go to Account Center. Here you can see Personal Details. Click on this. You can see here Account Ownership and Control. Go for it. Click on Deactivation or Deletion. Choose your account. If you want to deactivate your account, then select Deactivate Account. Or if you want to delete your account, then select Delete Account. Then press on Continue. That's it. So this is how to deactivate or delete Facebook account in your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.